So very excited today. The colour is going on. The car's all ready to be painted and taped up. And I'm going to turn around and show you the colour getting mixed. Very, very excited to show you the colour. A bit hard to see at the moment. Looks like it's black, but it's not.
Could be.
It's got the table all set up ready to go. So we'll get on to the process of painting it and I'll film different stages of it. Very excited to get this car finally colour on it. So we'll show you everything very, very soon. I have to put that in the sunlight, I reckon. Oh, there we go. Have a look at that. Tell us what you think of that purple. This is the colour in the sunlight. Got a custom colour mixed. So I was after a particular colour and can't get in Australia, so the paint guys mixed that. Very keen to see what it looks like on the car. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's very dark compared to what it looks like in the tin. Clear coat's all done, colour's all done. Just slowly taking off the tape and letting it all cure. But man, that colour looks so good. Be good to see this car on the road. Can't wait.